Currently I am in a feature 01 branch, and let me just check that. Yes, I'm currently pointing out to feature 01 branch, and I will do a git log here so you can see that. So when you create a child branch from the parent branch, the child branch gets the commit history of a parent branch as well. So let me just clear it out, and I will create a new file in feature 01 branch, and I will add those changes into my feature 01 branch. I will commit those changes, and then we are going to merge our feature 01 branch with our master branch. So let me add one file called feature 01. Let me commit these changes. Okay, so my changes are committed, and let me just do git log here. So you can see that there are 3 commits in my uh, feature 01 branch, and you can see that the difference here is that my feature 01 branch is pointing out to this commit, and my head is currently at this commit. But when I will go to master branch, the master branch will be at this commit. So let me just switch back to my master branch. So currently I'm in master branch, and you can see that the feature 01 file does not exist in a master branch. So how I can merge my feature 01 in my master branch? So before merging, let me just check git log here. So you can see that master and feature 02 are pointing out to this particular commit. So when you want to merge any 2 branches, or you want to merge a child into parent, you need to take care of this thing is that here let me explain you by example. Here I want to merge my feature 01 branch in my master branch. So the feature 01 will be added to my master branch. In order to do that, I have to currently check out my master branch. So the in which branch you want to merge, you need to be in that particular branch. So currently I am adding my feature 01 branch in my master branch, so I need to be in my master branch. So I will do git branch. You can see that currently I'm in master branch, so I can add my feature 01 branch in my master branch now. If you are in a feature 01 branch, then you cannot add a feature 01 branch in a master branch. You need to be checked out in the branch in which you want to merge any other branch. So the for merging the any branch into any other branch, the command is git merge and the branch name. So currently I am merging feature 01, so I will add feature 01 as a branch name. So you can see that my feature 01 file is here, and if I will do git log now, you can see that my head is currently pointing out to the master branch, and my feature 01 branch and my master branch both are at same level. But my feature 2 is not at the same level. So you can see that difference here, that first I created a master branch, then I created a feature 01 branch, and I also created a feature 02 branch from the master branch. And then I made some changes in feature 01 branch, and then I merged my feature 01 in my master branch. So you can see that my branch is merged now, and so I have merged my feature 01 in my master branch. But if I want to merge my feature 01 in my feature 02 branch as well, so what I can do is I can check out to my feature 02 branch, and I can merge my feature 01 in feature 02 branch. So I can run the command git merge feature 01. So what it will do is it will take all the new changes which are not in feature 02 branch, and it will merge all this changing into my feature 02 branch from feature 01 branch. Okay, so let's do that, and you can see that my feature 01 file is currently in my feature 02 branch. And if I do git log now, you can see that my all the branches are currently pointing out to this new commit. So that's all for this video. In this video, we have seen how to merge any branches. And in the next video, I will tell you some important things that you need to take care of while working with branches. So that is gonna be an important video. So thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.